Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A carpenter buys 123 meters of oak boards to make 41 bookshelves. How many meters of oak boards he will have to buy in order to make 14 bookshelves? So it is given that 41 bookshelves requires oak boards. So that number is equal to this 123 meters. So 123 meters of oak boards is required to make 41 bookshelves. Now using unitary method we can find out that if we have to make one bookshelves, so one bookshelves requires oak board that is equal to 123 divided by 41 meters. So using unitary method we can find out that 14 bookshelves requires oak board which is equal to 14 multiplied by 123 divided by 41 meters. If we simplify it, it will be equal to 42 meters. So 42 meters is our answer.